Today I will show you a multifunctional basket. Now let's see the overview of it. It is entry luxury style, applicable to different design of kitchen. It is a multifunctional basket with inner drawer box structure, making full use of cabinet space. It is a super slim aluminum alloy side structure, anti-corrosion and anti-rust. It advanced fluorocarbon coating surface treatment. Matte surface is more textured. There's some partitions inside. You can store plates, bowls, chopsticks, and spoons. There are two colors for you to choose, including champagne gold and high-class gray. This basket is matched with soft close synchronous slide. Passed SGS 80,000 movement test, quality certification. Soft close pushing and pulling. The max loading of this basket is 30 kilograms, strong loading capacity. The bottom is covered by non-slip mat with 5 mm PVC base. Prevent items from collision. It is a quick installation structure, easy and convenient to install. There are other two types for you to choose. They are the same material and surface treatment. If you are interested in our product, please contact us.